If you're seeing the AnyDesk error that says client offline, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact fixes step by step so you can get your remote connection working again as quickly as possible. This is a common issue, and in most cases it comes down to the network, an outdated app, an incorrect system clock, or a connection setting that needs to be adjusted. So if you want to fix AnyDesk client offline the easy way, stay with me and follow along. And before we get into it, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's start with the first thing you should check, the network connection. On both devices, especially the remote computer, make sure the internet is actually working and stable. If the remote device is disconnected, weak, or dropping in and out, AnyDesk won't be able to establish a proper session. Try opening a website on the remote computer to confirm it has active internet access. If the connection seems slow or unstable, restart the router, switch to a stronger network, or reconnect the device to the internet before trying AnyDesk again. Many times, this alone solves the client offline problem. Next, you should update the application. Go to the official AnyDesk website, download the latest version, and install it on your device. If the remote computer is using an older version, it can cause compatibility issues and lead to offline errors. Updating ensures both devices are using the latest features, security fixes, and connection improvements. Once the download is complete, install the update, restart AnyDesk, and test the connection again. If you still see the error, the next thing to check is the system clock. This is a very important step because an incorrect date or time on either device can break the secure handshake between the computers and trigger an offline error. To fix this on Windows, right-click the clock in the taskbar, then click Adjust Date and Time. After that, turn on Set Time automatically. Once that is enabled, click Sync Now to force the computer to match the correct time. Do this on both devices if needed, because even a small time mismatch can stop AnyDesk from connecting properly. After syncing the time, try opening AnyDesk again and see if the issue is gone. If the error is still there, the final fix is to disable direct connections. This is useful when a restrictive router, firewall, or strict network policy is blocking the connection. By disabling direct connections, you can force AnyDesk to use relay servers instead, which often gets around network restrictions. To do this, open AnyDesk and go to Settings, then Connection. If you see a lock icon, click Unlock first so you can make changes. After that, go to the General section and look for the option that says Allow Direct Connections. Uncheck that option, then click Apply. This tells AnyDesk to avoid direct peer-to-peer routing and use the relay path instead, which can solve the client offline problem in restricted environments. Once you've done that, restart AnyDesk and try connecting again. In most cases, one of these 4 fixes will solve the issue. Check the network, update AnyDesk, sync the system clock, or disable direct connections. If the error is still showing after that, the problem may be deeper in the firewall or router settings, but these steps will fix the majority of client offline cases. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more helpful tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.